Batman! Ah, what do we have here? It's the human torture unit. I wonder what's inside. Ah! Help! Help! Help!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Batman! 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 Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Spiderman!
What?
Help! Help Batman!
Well, I don't really like Batman.
Oh, fine. I'll just have to do it myself. If I throw all these things inside, then maybe we'll get out. Can you hear me, Batman?
Oh! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Come on, Batman. You can get out now. I'm sure you can. Hold on to my hair. Spider-Man, you're not very nice. I'm going to give you a slap.
Well, it's Batman, and I don't care about Batman.
Well, you're not my friend anymore, okay?
Well, I don't care. I don't need friends. Bye. Thank you for saving me.
My pleasure. In fact, actually, I think you're going to be my lover. Come on, let's go and get some tea together. Bye, everyone.